Hello everyone and welcome back. This is the Health and Beauty channel, and in this video we'll discuss how to get thicker and softer hair with just 2 natural ingredients. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Many people struggle with thin, brittle hair that doesn't seem to grow no matter what they do. If you're looking for thicker, softer hair, there are a few natural ingredients that can help. Coconut oil and avocado are both rich in nutrients that can promote hair growth and prevent breakage. Coconut oil is especially beneficial because it helps to moisturize the scalp and prevent dry flakes. To use, simply massage a small amount of coconut oil into your scalp and leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to your coconut oil for an extra boost. Avocado is another great option for thicker hair. It's high in protein and healthy fats, which help to nourish the hair follicles and promote growth. To use, mash up an avocado and apply it to your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes before washing it out. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice to help lighten your hair. For best results, use these ingredients once or twice a week. With regular use, you should see an improvement in the thickness and softness of your hair. There is no need to bleach your hair if it's naturally light and you want to go lighter. Consider honey and cinnamon. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which cinnamon helps to activate. You won't become platinum blonde, but this mixture can lighten up your hair up to 2 shades. Even if you live in Alaska, it will have that natural golden tint like the one you get after spending the entire summer in California. A coffee mask might help you achieve a richer, darker hair color. Allow freshly made, strong coffee to cool down before applying it directly to your hair. You can also combine it with your preferred hair conditioner. Cocoa is also effective for darkening hair. Fill a half-empty shampoo bottle halfway with chocolate beans. This product will smell nice and make your hair a little darker. It is also extremely nutritious and makes the hair appear thicker and glossier. Rinse your hair with rice water to see what happens. It works brilliantly for the majority of individuals who try it. Combine a bowl of rice and a bowl of water. Allow it to sit at room temperature for 24 hours before refrigerating it until ready to use. There is no need to adjust your hair washing routine. Simply use rice water after shampooing and conditioning. To attain greater outcomes, concentrate on the scalp. Here are some more of the beauty tips we got for you. On cracked heels, mashed bananas can work wonders. Massage 1 mashed banana into the skin for about 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Toothpaste is also beneficial if you want to consume bananas rather than rub them into your foot. Take half a scoop of classic toothpaste. Gel toothpaste will be enough. Apply it directly to the heels and leave it on overnight. If one procedure does not produce the intended effect, try another. It is preferable to repeat the process 3 to 4 times to ensure success. Mix the toothpaste with some vitamin E capsules for an even greater result. Surprisingly, mouthwash might help with cracked heels as well as your teeth and gums. Mix equal parts of your favorite mouthwash, vinegar, and water to make a great soak for your feet. After 15 minutes, presto, your heels look brand new. All of the dry skin will be exfoliated by the acids in the mouthwash and vinegar. Make certain that the mouthwash contains benzoic acid. This treatment kills 2 birds with 1 stone because it also helps with stinky feet. It's all down to the antibacterial properties of most mouthwashes. To sterilize your clothes, add a tiny cup of your favorite mouthwash the next time you launder them. It will help to eliminate bacteria while also keeping your washing machine clean. It's also ideal for exercise gear. Pour some mouthwash into the cleaning equipment of your choice and use it as a glass cleaner. It's useful for keeping the screen clean and for removing mildew and grime. Bug bites are very itchy. A drop of toothpaste can relieve practically any sting and even reduce swelling if present. Because toothpaste dries up blisters and sores, it also helps them. To prevent smearing, apply toothpaste and leave it on overnight. Cover the area with film or simply a band-aid. Mouthwash might also assist with stings. Apply some to the inflamed region with a cotton pad. Toothpaste can also be applied to your fingernails as an option. They are similar to your teeth. Apply a small amount of toothpaste directly to your nails and scrub them with a brush or cloth. It will make them stronger and more lustrous. Soaking your fingernails in mouthwash may aid in the removal of fungus. This strategy will not work on its own, but it is an excellent supplement. Soak your nails in mouthwash for around 20 minutes twice a day. If you're enjoying this video, I have more health and beauty tips coming up, but before that, give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. To replace hair gel, apply a drop of gel-based toothpaste to your hand, rub it between your palms, and arrange your hair as desired. Allow the gel to dry. The solution is simple. Toothpaste gel and hair gel both include water-soluble polymers. However, do not brush your teeth with hair gel. If your gel paste does not contain menthol, you can use it to tame your brows as well. Many makeup artists also use clear soap for this purpose. They brush their brows using a brush that has been rubbed against a soap bar with a tiny drop of water. Only rain can undo this spell. From your heels to your nose, Vaseline can be used to cure anything cracked. If you frequently blow your nose while it's cold outside, dab some Vaseline onto it. This chemical will protect your nose from colds and aid in its healing. It also keeps the skin from becoming too dry. Blisters can be treated with Vaseline. If a new pair of shoes has been too tight, apply some Vaseline to the affected area. This remedy isn't ideal, but it will help to limit the possibility of unpleasant outcomes. Spread a heavy coating of Vaseline around the sides of your face before dyeing your hair. In this manner, the dye will not stain your forehead. When you're finished, simply wipe away the petroleum jelly. If there's chewing gum on your hair, Vaseline can come to the rescue. All you need to do is generously apply it on the spot and kinda slide the gum out of your hair. No worries, Vaseline washes off easily. Foundation and lipstick stains are notoriously difficult to remove. Fortunately, shaving foam is available. Sure, it won't remove some stains instantaneously, but dab a small amount of foam directly into the stain. You won't see the stains again until you put your items in the washing machine. Apply a small amount of eyeshadow to your scalp at the parting to make your hair appear thicker. Remove the plastic stopper and acquire more product from the same package if you run out of mascara or any other liquid product retained in the tube. If your mascara has dried out, try adding a few drops of contact lens solution. When using contact lens solution in an unusual method such as to heighten the color of eyeshadow, the color will be brighter if you put some liquid on your brush or applicator. You may also make your own eyeliner by combining a drop of contact lens solution with an eyeshadow color you want. After you've finished eating banana, don't throw away the peel. It's excellent for exfoliating and unclogging pores. All you have to do is apply the fleshy side of the peel right into your skin. Allow the residue to stay on your face for around 10 minutes before washing it away with lukewarm water. Chickpea flour is another excellent exfoliant. For an antimicrobial effect, combine it with some apple vinegar and tea tree oil. It is preferable to use flour scrub instead of sugar or salt scrubs because the flour will not harm the skin. Sugar and salt, on the other hand, might leave little scrapes and allow bacteria to enter. Waxing can be expensive, especially if done in an aesthetic clinic. It should be replaced with homemade sugar wax. 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Stir the ingredients thoroughly and cook for about 10 minutes. If you want to have a moisturizing effect, you can add 1 tablespoon of glycerin when the mixture turns brown. When the mixture is somewhat thicker than honey, remove it from the fire. A lack of vitamin C, excessive sun exposure, dry skin, and a lack of sleep all contribute to dark circles beneath your eyes. You can camouflage them with concealer, but glycerine, rose water, and lemon juice eliminate rather than conceal dark circles. Apply 2 teaspoons of glycerin, 1 tablespoon of rose water, and 1 additional tablespoon of lemon juice to your under eyes with a cotton pad. Massage the under eye area for a few minutes before leaving it overnight. In the morning, wash the mixture off. Brown sugar and coconut oil might be excellent armpit whitening agents. Apply a few drops of coconut oil to the underarms before showering. Then massage in some brown sugar and wash it all away. It will also have a pleasant exfoliating effect. Well, that's it for today's video. Will you be trying any of the beauty hacks we taught you? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section. If you learned something new from our channel, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when our new videos are released. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.